Hello everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. So glad you guys could join me for a DIY 5-minute card. Now, today's card is so easy. It's very fast and I love the little angle and I also love this little bit of glimmer. Now, I'm going to have all the information that you need on the card over at SimplySimpleStamping.com. Look for the January 30th, 2020 blog post. Let's get started with our card because I think you're going to like how fast and easy this one is to create. You're going to love what few supplies you need for today's card. I have a piece of Whisper White thick cardstock, 4 1/4 by 11 inches, scored at 5 1/2 inches. So that's going to fit into one of our medium-sized envelopes. I also have a piece of our silver glimmer paper. This is 1/4 inch by 5 1/2 inches. And you're also going to need just a piece of copy paper. This is 1/4 sheet, 4 1/4 by 5 1/4. We're going to use that as a mask. The star of the show is the Heart to Heart stamp set. I love this one. I wanted to create a card for my sweetheart, for my Mr. Awesome. And I just want to say, you make my life better. So this is going to be a very simple card. Let me share with you how you can create it. I'm going to want some grid paper underneath me because we will be stamping off the edge of the cardstock. Now I'm going to bring in that copy paper and I'm just going to want to gently, lightly adhere that at an angle here at the bottom of my cardstock. So I'm going to put some adhesive on this and then we're going to de-stickify it a little bit. So I'm going to put just some little tiny dots, not a lot. We're keeping it really light, just some little dots there. And then I'm going to de-stickify it. I'm just going to touch it. You can press this onto your jeans or your pants, your sleeve, whatever it takes to just remove some of that sticky because I want to make sure that when I lift it, it's not going to tear anything. And now I know I'm good to go. So let me take my card. And guys, there's no right or wrong to where you put this. It's just how much stamped area do you want down there. So that's going to work for me. We're going to be using 4 ink pads today. I have Lovely Lipstick, Rococo Rose, Petal Pink, and then my leaves will be done with Granny Apple Green. So we're going to start with the Lovely Lipstick. And in the Heart to Heart stamp set, there are 3 flowers. We're going to use all 3 of these flowers, not the little tulip. We're going to use the little rounded ones. So I'm going to take the largest flower. All right, we're going to ink that up in the Lovely Lipstick. And I'm going to stamp this, probably about 3 or 4 times. There's really, again, no right or wrong, just adding it on there. You notice how I went off onto that copy paper. Now I'll come in with the Rococo Rose and we're going to use the next size flower. That would be this one right here. While I'm stamping this, if you're looking for some more stamping inspiration, I would love to have you as a subscriber to my channel. Just take a minute to click that great big red subscribe button. All right, so there are my Rococo Rose flowers. And now we'll come in with Petal Pink and we're going to take that small flower. And I'm just going to kind of fill in a little bit, just a few, because I've got my leaves to go in here too. So actually, I think I'm going to stop right there so that I can come in with the Granny Apple Green and that little leaf. And now with this leaf, let's just kind of fill in and just attach that leaf to any of the flowers. Hey, if you want more details about the card, if you didn't catch the measurements or you would like to order this stamp set, be sure to head over to SimplySimpleStamping.com and look for the January 30th, 2020 blog post. That's where I'll have all the details. All right, I think I filled in with that Granny Apple Green. Now for the magic, we will remove our de-stickified paper. Look at that. Doesn't it look so nice and sharp? Now we are going to add that silver glimmer paper right across that line. So I'm going to come in with my silicone mat. That's going to allow me to add the adhesive here and not get adhesive everywhere. And we'll add that all the way down, that silver glimmer paper. Now, I'm going to keep this grid paper underneath me because, look at that, I'm going to be hanging off the edge, but it sure makes it nice and easy to adhere this little strip down. I'm going right to the edge, right to the edge. That is the line. I can now flip this over and just snip away the excess. I'm going to come back in now with the lovely lipstick and my sentiment from that set, "You make my life better." We'll ink that up in lovely lipstick, and I will line that up right on that angle. And there we go. Oh my gosh, it's clean, it's simple, and it's beautiful. Now, if you want to add something to the inside of the card, I'm going to add the sentiment, "Our hearts are meant to be together." I'll do that in the lovely lipstick. And then I can add that granny apple green stem, and I'll come back in with that large flower in lovely lipstick. Now, I want to just tell you right here, whatever images you choose to use, and of course, whatever color combinations you choose to use, get creative with what you have. But in my opinion, it's all about that glimmer. There you go, my friends. Hey, if you enjoyed the card today, I would love a thumbs up on YouTube. If you enjoy those quick cards, tell me about it by giving me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for being here today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the card. Be sure to check out more at simplysimplestamping.com. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.